This video is sponsored by DoubleCoin. Visit DoubleCoinTires.com for more information.
Picture this. A fault code is triggered in a truck less than a mile away from the shop. It's serious. It needs to be fixed right away. The driver locates the shop as the closest, makes a call, and is told to come right over. The driver arrives only to find that no bays are available. There are some longer repairs ahead of him, and he'll have to wait until those bays are clear. He waits, growing irritable, knowing that every second he spends in this shop is a second he could be spending running his route, making money, and getting home on time. Oh God, I hear it. The ticking clock from the show 24. We're in big trouble if we don't figure this out right away. This scenario is all too common, and it's one that fleet service managers need to avoid. If doing the repair right is job one in a shop, job two is doing it quickly and efficiently. And that means making sure that bays are open, that quick repairs are moving through in a timely manner, and that the right resources are allocated for each repair. So if you own your own fleet service shop, how do you keep bays open, keep customers from waiting, and keep trucks moving? It starts with data. Specifically, it starts with the data you're able to gather about the truck while it's still on the road. Checking things like fault codes, parts availability, and scheduling before the truck arrives in the shop will help immensely with timing. On the shop side, one important aspect of this process is proper reporting and scheduling, so you can match up the shop's current workflow with available manpower. Making sure you have the proper tools and data ahead of time in the shop will also help get right to business when that truck arrives. For even more trucking and equipment content, head over to the Fleet Equipment site at fleetequipmentmag.com. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.